What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can fix if your Meta AI is not showing up. Now, as you can see, I currently have two WhatsApps. Now, if I open up this WhatsApp and I'm in the same group, and if I search for @Meta AI, as you can see, Meta AI just popped up and I'll be able to use it and talk to it. However, if I go to the other WhatsApp and here if I search for @Meta AI, I won't be able to do that. However, both of these have the same group in which I'm trying to access the Meta AI. So why can I not access the Meta AI on this? Because this region does not support it. So this number or this WhatsApp is from a different country than this WhatsApp. So this WhatsApp is actually from the UK, and UK does not accept the Meta AI as a tool in your WhatsApp. So you won't be able to do that currently. So you just have to wait for the region to get accepted, and once you get that Meta AI feature in your region, you'll be able to see it right here on WhatsApp. So unfortunately, you cannot do this until then. That's pretty much it. That's what you guys can do. Hope you guys find this video helpful.